Hey y'all, alright, as you can see, back out in the garage again, and as you can also see, I got this side, wind over there is just going bonkers. Anyway, I've got this side put together, the all of the brake rotor caliper, shock, everything's in here, so I will have to bleed the brake caliper because I did not heed my own advice. Yes, I put the whole spindle on and everything, and I did not um, put the caliper over here, and just hang it over here somewhere. I didn't put the caliper over here. I had it over there, hanging off the steering gear box. And what happened? Well, I got it all put back together, and the thing now is hanging now. Well, it was hanging over there, and I had it all put together, so I had to take the brake hose off. Okay, that happens. But anyway, let me tell you a little bit. This is the very hot ball joint right there. You know, I had to heat that thing up really, really super hot to get it to break loose because it just wasn't having it. It was not going to come out. But as you can see, there's the control arm, upper control arm, got the ball joint out. The ball joint socket was pretty good. You know, there's probably better fitting ones out there. That's a Sun X. I got it from Summit Racing. So I think it was like less than $20. So I'm not gonna complain too much about that. But anyway, still gotta put the new ball joint in that one, clean it up, paint it, put the new control arm bushings in it. So there's a lot of work left on that. Gotta clean all this up in here, just like the other side, and get this looking better. Old control arm laying down there, got that out of the way. Of course, there's the spring. You can see I've got the chain on it right there. Anytime you're taking one of these out, you're messing with it, please do the right thing. Get yourself a spring compressor and get yourself some chains or something and put through them to keep them from just going all crazy on you and exploding out of there and hurting you or damaging your vehicle or damaging somebody else like yourself. Um, so anyway, yeah, this side's been tough. That side, the left side was pretty tough. This side was pretty tough too. So, um, you know, if you want to do this job, you know, it can be done, but you're gonna need some resources. Like you're gonna need one of those ball joint sockets. You're gonna need some MAP gas or propane torches or something, or even oxyacetylene torches, something like that. You're gonna need that stuff. Oxyacetylene probably would have worked way faster. Uh, but I got it. So, and the ball joints in this had been in there since 1992. So, you know, a long, long time. So I just want to give you that little update. I'll tell you what, let's take the light over there to the other side so you can see it a little bit better. Sorry, you just maneuvered the camera there where it wasn't good. As you can see, this is all painted and looking pretty and nice and everything like that. I'm going to clean that caliper up some. It's been painted. It's just got brake dust all over it. And And I got to bleed these brakes over here, and I still got to grease these ball joints over here too. So, of course, an alignment is necessary. Anytime you do something like this, alignment is absolutely, uh, no question about it. You got to do it. There's the torches I used. These here. This one is just a propane, Coleman propane, and then this one is a MAP gas. So, the bottom of the bottle on this one's damaged, so it doesn't sit up straight. I have to lean it over all the time. Okay. Anyway, well, I would like to thank you very much. Thank you all very much for watching. I'd like to also thank you all very much for your likes and your shares and your subscribes. Wind. Your likes and your shares and your subscribes. I really do appreciate all of that as well. And if you have any further questions about this, feel free to ask. I'm always willing to help you out. Okay? And I will try to help you out with any questions or answers on any of your questions as soon as possible. As soon as I get these doors taken care of. Just aggravating. Anyway, thank you all so much. Y'all have a great day. God bless.